Before streaming, before playlists, before headphones, there was the dance floor. When the week felt heavy, when money was short, when the city moved fast and didn't wait for anyone, there was a solution, and that was the dance floor. The dance floor was not entertainment, it was escape. Bienvenido al Ritmo del Ayer. Soy el Penguin y en ese es un espacio donde la memoria, la cultura y el ritmo caminan juntos. If these stories matter to you, please subscribe to the channel. Because Ritmo del Ayer is about more than music. It's about the feeling behind it. In the 1960s and the 70s, cities like New York were alive with tensions and possibility. Neighborhoods like Spanish Harlem and the South Bronx were filled with families working long hours, building new life, navigating languages, identity, and survival. Outside, the streets were loud, factories closing, jobs were shifting, and communities adjusting. Inside the dance hall, something different happened. The lights dimmed, the band tuned their instruments, and the rhythm began. The congas struck first, deep, grounded, like a heartbeat. Then the bass followed, steady, certain. Then the bass cut through the air, and suddenly everything that weighted on your shoulders started to feel lighter. People didn't just listen to music, they entered it. Dancing wasn't about performance. It was about showing off. It was about release. Couple step onto the floor, carrying more than steps. They carry the weak. They carry doubt. They carry exhaustion. And with every spin, every turn, every synchronized movement, something inside of them loosened. The dance floor became a sanctuary. Language didn't matter there. Accents didn't matter there. What mattered was timing, connection, and rhythm. For young Latinos growing up between cultures, the dance floor was a classroom. You learn confidence. You learn how to lead and how to follow. You learn how to belong. The soundtrack changed over time. For example, mambo, Latin soul, Boogaloo, and early salsa. But the purpose remained the same. It was about the escape. And escape didn't mean denial. It meant resilience. Because outside those doors, life wasn't easy. Economic shift hit hard. Opportunities were uneven. The news told one version of the story. But inside the dance hall, the music told another story. It said, "You are still here. You are still moving. And you are still alive." The dance floor became the therapy before anyone called it that. Sweat replaced stress. Laughter replaced fear. Movement replaced silence. And for a few hours, the world felt manageable again. There's something powerful about collective rhythm. When dozens of people move to the same beat, isolation disappears. Community forms. The dance floor wasn't just an escape from hardship. It was a rehearsal for hope. Today, music lives in our pockets. It follows us everywhere. But it rarely demands the same participation. Back then, if you wanted to feel or feel it, you had to show up. You had to step onto the floor. You had to take a risk to being seen and to create connection. When we talk about the golden eras of Latin music, we often focus on records and artists. But the real story lived on the floor. In worn-out shoes, in couples meeting under color lights, in friendship formed between songs. Cuando el baile era el escape, no era solo diversión, era sobrevivir con ritmo. Let me ask you something. When did music feel like escape for you? If this story resonates, subscribe to the channel. Walk this journey with us. Bienvenido al Ritmo del Ayer. Soy el Penguin. Gracias y que Dios me los bendiga.